morning mga kapinoy. It's America. I woke up na. It's morning already here in Kansas. So we're going to drop the stuff that we bring yesterday. So ayun, naalis kami ngayon. Then after that, iwan ko kung saan ang aming route again, okay? I will show you here the place where we are right now, okay? For now, I want to say please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So bye-bye for now. So ayun guys, good morning. Tapos na ako maligo, so ko pa sa CR. Nagpapapay para maliit ang hama, tapos na rin siya. And then I'm done. So I'll fix everything here, also my clothes, and we're going out here in the hotel. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. So guys, ito bubuksan ko na bintana guys. Masasalayan niyo yung ganda ng labas ng hotel.
Oh, Dave, I'm about to dress.
And dun yung truck, baby truck namin. You know.
Hey,
So,
did you hear me?
yes. Talaga is nakalis na kami. Deliver natin yung stuff. Guys, akala ko chocolate hills. Ayan o. Hindi pala. Pagawaan pala ng mga buhangin. So, I thought it's chocolate hills. Ayan o. Tada! So guys, nakarating na kami dito sa drop namin yung item, pero hindi pa namin alam kasi sa navigator, tapos may tunnel doon. I think we have to go there in the tunnel inside. So I will show you the tunnel guys, okay? So yun guys, I think papasok kami dun sa tunnel.
You see this? What's this?
First time namin to.
There ain't even on there.
So let's go guys. I think we're gonna go inside the tunnel. So papakita nyo yung mga office nila doon. Ayun no. Pero yung portal entry nila is dito. So kailangan namin pumasok dyan sa tunnel.
12
So let's go guys. I'll show you. I'll show you the tunnel here.
Okay, thank you.
So papasok kami sa tunnel.
Alright, bye.
Dyan guys. Dito. Tapos drop na.
Oh my god, we're in the tunnel.
We're inside the tunnel guys.
She said right and left.
It's nice, it's cool. Their office is under the tunnel.
This is a whole city. I think she said right and left.
So yun guys, dito na kami sa loob ng tunnel. Oh my god, ang lalim pala guys. Parang alam nyo ba yung ano, yung pag nasa mall kayo, yung parking area, parang ganito, pero ang cool niya kasi ito, ang ganda. Malaki pala yung loob
She already said.
dito, you know. Wow. Story time. Ito pala yung ano, yung parking area nila or yung office nila is dating cave, tapos ginawa nilang office. Sa loob is malawak. Grabe yung pag-isip ng mga tao dito. Grabe yun. Yung mga ano nila, yung mga foundation ng loob is stone lang. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. So very Amazing talaga pag makapasok kayo dito. So, nakakatawa man isipin guys, pero you know, ang tatalino talaga nila, ginawa nila ng paraan dito para magawa ng office. Dati itong cave guys.
Oh, there's
Tapos, ayun, dito na nilalagay yung mga different offices nila, yung mga packaging or whatever sa underground na tong tunnel na to. Pero ang cool kasi yung the structure of the, you know, the foundation of the loop. Galing talaga sa limestone lang. Ayun. Tapos ayun o guys. Maraming trucks, sasakyan dito sa loob. For the first time namin, at first time din ni Diyos dito makarating ng ganitong uri ng office. Pagdi-deliveran guys. Ayun. Grabe, ang talino talaga ng ano, father. Fun fact. Fast though. What's fast? How is it?
The cave is very cool.
It's cool. See, it's cool here.
It's
So,
all cave inside.
yeah. Tapos na kami mag-deliver and we're going out na.
They have a lot of papers, so they want their stuff
Okay.
to stay dry.
It's good. At least we're done. And ngayon, I don't know what's the next. Maghahanap kami ng route. So, stay tuned guys. Bye. So, ayun na guys. Tapos na kami mag-deliver. We're going to exit na. So, tignan nyo, grabe. Ang ganda. Sa loob ng kuweba guys. Amazing talaga yung mga
What are those? Oh no, that's right.
ginawa nila dito. Kasi ang lawak.
This is crazy. But this is where they keep all of our national records.
This one?
Yes.
Let's go.
The Department of whatever.
So it's also like a tourist attraction also here.
No.
Ah, okay.
I don't know if you can go in the National Archive or not. There's probably something.
Okay. It's underground loop.
This is where they keep all of our important papers.
Oh, wow.
The government.
Yeah, and I think because most of the time it happens the tornadoes, so that's why they just
Yeah, there's no way to get.
yes. So this is the safest place, I think. That's why ginawa nila itong office nila, yung mga papers, kasi mas safe, and most of the time nagkakaroon sila dito ng tornado sa Kansas. So, ang cool, di ba? Ayun lang. Ito na, papalabas na kami. Pero hindi namin alam kung saan yung exit. Ayun, exit. Ayan. May mga ano naman signage naman sila dito kung saan ka lalabas at saan ka enter. Yan. Yan na, lalabas na kami.
That's it. We're out of the cave. You might have to build this thing.
Tada. Bumalik kami ulit dito sa loob kasi naiwan ni Josh yung papers na kailangan niya signan. At ayun, bumalik siya dun sa office. And ayun lang. Pero anyway, everything is good naman, and so far is fine. Sana makita niya yung papers kasi dun siya mag-sign at para already drop off here. Kasi pag hindi na sa-signan, it means hindi pa siya na unload dito or na-unload sa mga office. So kailangan niya yung paper, kaya bumalik kami dito. Tapos kukunin niya yung papel na binigay niya dun sa worker. So ayun lang guys, okay? And we will do standby for a while because maghahanap kasi kami ng route. Tapos na kami mag-deliver ng dalawang office. So ayun na. Maghahanap na lang kami ng deliver ngayon para sa next travel namin or pick up namin. Okay? I'll show you and I'll keep you updated guys. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, ito nakalabas na kami and finally nakuha ni Josh yung paper and we're going to have our lunch because it's almost lunch. And I'm hungry. I will update you na lang there in the Panera restaurant. Okay, bye-bye. We're on our way na going to Panera restaurant, guys. Cottonwood Canyon. So, ito yung way papunta. Place where kung saan kayo mag-lunch. Yeah. Guys, magla-lunch muna kami dito sa sa Hawaiian Bros pala, hindi sa doon. Nagla-lunch kami ni Joshua. I'll show you. Guys, I'll show you and papasok na kami sa kakainan namin for today's video. Aloha here. Aloha. Thank you. Here. Order na siya ng nag-order na kami ng food na. So yun yung mga food na Hawaiian. Plus, we're having our lunch na here today. Delicious. So guys, kakain muna kami din. This is for our vlog for today's video and see you in next one. Bye.
Man, do you have Wi-Fi?